Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are planning for the MBA and if you are in confusion, you have completed your graduation, you are a fresher और अभी आपके पास में कोई job नहीं है. So is this the right time to complete your MBA? Or there are many people who says MBA after work experience gives you the benefits because corporate gives you the preference. Rather than that, the selection is easy. So these are the many questions and these are the right questions, and that only we are going to discuss with this video, that one should complete the MBA just after completion of their graduation or one should complete the MBA after having the work experience. So here the very first thing you need to understand is, does college prefers the work experienced candidates or the fresher candidates? सो कॉलेज जो प्रेफरेंस देती है वो देती है डाइवर्सिटी को. बेसिकली कोई भी टॉप इंस्टीट्यूट में डाइवर्सिटी एग्जिस्ट करती है एंड द डाइवर्सिटी इज इन सम कैंडिडेट्स आर द एक्सपीरियंस्ड कैंडिडेट्स, some candidates are the fresher candidates, gender diversity, some candidates are the male candidates, some are the female candidates, educational diversity, like some candidates have the educational background as an engineering, some candidates have the educational background as an BBA, BCom, then some candidates have the work experience from the government job, some are from the corporate world, some are from the urban areas, some are from the rural areas. सो दिस इज़ द डाइवर्सिटी. कोई भी जो टॉप इंस्टीट्यूट रहेगा उसके क्लास में ये जो डाइवर्सिटी है वो एग्जिस्ट करती है. बट द प्रॉब्लम इज़ जो टॉप मोस्ट इंस्टीट्यूट्स हैं उन्हीं के क्लास में ये डाइवर्सिटी एग्जिस्ट करती है बिकॉज देर आर मेनी एप्लीकेशंस एंड ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ देयर रिक्वायरमेंट ओनली कॉलेज चूज द स्टूडेंट्स. So you have that exposure, you have that opportunity that you can learn all those things. लाइक कोई भी अगर हम क्लास कंसिडर करते हैं सो कोई भी क्लास में मोर दैन 60 to 70 कैंडिडेट्स रहेंगे एंड दे हैव द डिफरेंट बैकग्राउंड्स. like you have the opportunity, for example if you are a fresher candidate, you have the opportunity that you can interact with the candidate who have the work experience. If your background is from the engineering, you have the opportunity that you can interact with the candidate whose educational background is from the BBA or whose educational background is from the BCom. Then you have the opportunity, for example if you are from Maharashtra, you have the opportunity that you can interact with the candidate from the other state so that you can know the culture also from the other states. So these all opportunities you have in one of the top institute. So basically diversity is important और कोई भी top institute में ये जो diversity है वो exist करती है. Diversity gives you all the exposure. Now the second point is about the student perspective. For example, if you are a candidate and you are preparing for the MBA entrance examination, you have attempted the CAT, GMAT and MAT SNAP entrance examination and you have scored good marks in such an entrance examination. And on the basis of this score, you want to take the admission in one of the top institute and you are getting that. So at this point, it is the wise decision to take the admission for MBA just after the graduation. But for example, the time is not with you. You have given the entrance examinations, you are trying it from the third year, final year. But if your score is not that much good, but on the another hand, if you have the good job, so at this point, choosing the job rather than choosing the tier 2 or tier 3 colleges, if you are particularly want to take the admission in the topmost business school, so at this point choosing the job will be the wise decision. And there is another case, if you want to just complete your MBA and if you are comfortable with the tier 2 and tier 3 colleges, in that case, you just after the completion of your graduation you can take the admission for the MBA program. So basically जब आपने अपना graduation complete किया है and after that you are taking the admission for the MBA, that will be the wise decision because अगर आप ग्रेजुएशन कंप्लीट होने के बाद में अगर जॉब करते हो सो यू आर हैविंग दैट मच वर्क एक्सपीरियंस बट आपका जो स्टडी का फ्लो रहेगा दैट इज डिसकंटिन्यूड एंड दैट इज द रीजन व्हेन एवर यू आर गोइंग टू टेक द प्रोफेशनल ब्रेक फॉर कंप्लीशन ऑफ योर MBA, so you have to put up the extra efforts. Same has happened with me also. Whenever I have completed my engineering, afterwards I have joined the job because I want to take the admission in one of the top business schools in the India, and that is the reason along with the job I have prepared for the GMAT CAT entrance examination, and on the basis of that I have took the professional break and I have completed my MBA, and on the basis of that experience I am telling you the flow of the study is going to be break. So for that you have to put up the extra efforts. So if possible, just after the completion of your graduation, is every situation is going well, you can complete your MBA just after graduation. Now the third situation is your educational background. फॉर एग्जाम्पल अगर आपने ग्रेजुएशन में BBA कंप्लीट किया है, BCom कंप्लीट किया है, एंड आफ्टर दैट यू डोंट हैव दैट मच अपॉर्चुनिटी, यू डोंट हैव अ गुड जॉब, सो एट दैट टाइम MBA इज द राइट ऑप्शन फॉर यू, बिकॉज MBA इज अ डिग्री विच इज ग्लोबली एक्सेप्टेड एंड इट इज अ वेरी पॉपुलर डिग्री ग्लोबली एंड सेम विद द इंडिया ऑल्सो. एंड ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ दिस डिग्री you can get one of the highest paying job in the India and on the global level also. So doing an MBA just after the graduation, if you don't have any job, will be the right decision. And if we consider the fourth point, then it is confusion. So basically you are confused. जब आपने ग्रेजुएशन कंप्लीट किया है, so at that time आपको लगा कि मुझे इंजीनियरिंग करना चाहिए, या किसी ने आपको बोला आप BBA कर लो या इंजीनियरिंग कर लो, and that is the reason you have taken the admission for that particular program. But now you don't know anything like what to do. You don't have any job in your hand. So at this point MBA will be the right choice, because MBA will teach you the trends of the market, what market is demanding for, and you will have extra 2 years. You will know like in what field you are interested with, in what field you want to shape up your future. So just after the completion of your graduation, if you are in confusion, then MBA will be the best choice. Then fifth point is about the networking. So MBA is one of the degree where you can build up your network. Like for example, अगर आप कोई भी कॉलेज में MBA के लिए एडमिशन लेते हो, so in the first year all the students will be the common students like from all the specialization. So first year में तो आपका network build up होता ही है, but in the second year also, if you are from the general MBA, then you have the opportunity to interact with the people from the finance subject, from the HR, from the marketing. So at that time also you have the opportunity to build up your network. Same with the specialized MBA also. So you can build up your network in this degree. Now coming to the work experience candidates. So for the work experience candidates, there might be many situations. Like first, just after the completion of your graduation, you want to take the admission in one of the top business school in India for the MBA. But आपका स्कोर अच्छा नहीं आया है, ऑन द अनदर हैंड यू हैव अ गुड जॉब, सो एट दैट टाइम जो पीपल होते हैं वो जॉब ज्वाइन करते हैं एंड दे डोंट प्रीफर टू गो फॉर द MBA. सेकेंड कंडीशन माइट बी दैट कि अभी आपको MBA नहीं करना है, यू आर नॉट दैट मच श्योर, अभी आपके पास में जॉब है एंड यू जस्ट वॉन्ट टू गो फॉर दैट. थर्ड कंडीशन, आपको MBA का इंपॉर्टेंस एट दिस स्टेज पता नहीं है, बट लेटर ऑन यू रियलाइज कि मुझे MBA करना चाहिए एंड दैट इज द रीजन नाउ यू वांट टू ज्वाइन द MBA प्रोग्राम. फोर्थ रीजन माइट बी कि आपको हाइक चाहिए जॉब में, अभी आप अपने जॉब में स्टैग्नेंट पोजीशन पे हो, यू वांट to learn all these skills, you want to learn the recent trends of the market, you want to learn the negotiation skills, management skills, relationship management. और अभी for example अगर आप IT engineer हो, so you are working in the IT sector and you want to change your industry, you want to change your field, so at that time MBA will be the best option. अगर आपको फाइनेंस में मूव करना है, अगर आपको मार्केटिंग में जाना है, so at that time doing an MBA in finance and marketing can provide you the lots of opportunity. So MBA will be the best option if you want to change up with your industry, if you want to shape up your future in the particular domain, then this will be the right choice. Also MBA can help you to learn how to manage people, how to manage teams, how to run the teams. So if you want to learn all those things, this will be the definite option. So this would all be the reasons. So in this video I have covered up all the situations and all the scenarios in which case you can join MBA just after the graduation, or in which case you can join MBA after having the work experience. Still, if you have any doubts, any queries in this, then you can just let me know in the comments. Thank you for watching the video. If you find the video helpful, then do like the video and subscribe the channel.